Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to add admin in your Telegram group. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, we have to tap into the app itself. So let's tap in and you'll be directed to the chat base directly. So what you're going to do is pick up the channel or any group you want to pick. So I'm going to do this one. So what you're going to do now is tap in this profile icon that's on the top right corner. So here you can see there are three options. There are several options like live stream and all. I'm talking about this option right here. There are administrators, subscribers, and channel settings. So obviously we're going to the administrators. Let's tap in there, and as you can see, I'm the owner right now. So you can also add another admin. Like, to do that, let's tap in this option that says add admin, and here you can search by the username or any of your contact, and you can add admin in your Telegram group or channel like that. So I hope this video was helpful. If subscribe and like your channel, and also if you have any queries, don't forget to comment in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.